DoorDash orders sit unassigned when nearby drivers are either unavailable, declining the offer, or the payout is being repeatedly passed over by the system's dispatch algorithm. By the end, you'll know why your DoorDash order isn't getting assigned, what it means inside the app, and the exact steps customers and drivers can take to speed it up. Here's how this actually works. DoorDash doesn't manually assign every order to a driver right away. The system sends the order out through a dispatch queue to drivers nearby. If no one accepts it quickly, the order keeps cycling through the system. That's why it can look stuck on, looking for drivers. First, check the most common issue. If you're a customer, low driver availability is the biggest factor. That usually happens during slow hours, bad weather, or in low-density delivery areas. If you're a driver, it's usually about offer quality. Orders with low payout or long distance tend to get skipped multiple times before someone accepts them. Now here's what actually helps move things faster. For customers, the only real control is adjusting the order. You can cancel and reorder during peak times, or switch to a higher demand delivery window if available in your area. You can also switch to pickup if the restaurant supports it. Pickup removes the driver assignment step completely, so the order gets processed faster on the restaurant side. For drivers, the key fix is staying closer to high-traffic restaurant clusters. Orders are assigned faster when you are physically near busy pickup locations because the system prioritizes short pickup times. Another thing that affects assignment is app status. If your app is paused, in navigation mode, or has background location issues, you may not receive offers properly, which slows down overall assignment flow in the system. Restarting the app can refresh incoming offers and remove stuck states. Now, the important part, A delayed assignment doesn't always mean something is broken. In most cases, it simply means the system is waiting for a driver to accept the current payout level. The key idea is simple. DoorDash assignment speed depends on driver supply, order payout attractiveness, and real-time location density. To sum it up, orders get stuck when no driver accepts quickly. Distance and payout affect acceptance speed, and restarting or adjusting order conditions can help move things faster. Next step is simple. Check your order screen right now and see if it's stuck in looking for drivers. Then either switch to pickup or wait during a higher activity window. If you want more DoorDash fixes explained clearly without confusion, subscribe for quick guides that solve real delivery app problems.